40,000 more per year. Would that change your life? Oh, look at this. Who's still in this long? Wow.
Here
Anybody?
still in it.
Thank you. Beautiful. There's a double top on my screen, on mine anyways. See it? Yep.
Oh, I nailed that. Thank you.
Oh, did you see it on my screen up here?
Yeah, I was looking at your spy screen just to make sure my levels are right, and then I hit it a little early, and then
Yeah.
it dropped perfect up 2% on that.
Oh, nice job, Blake. Good job, buddy. Oh, look at this pullback. Oh, this is glorious.
I'm still in it. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's nice. Oh,
I'm gonna be done for the day now.
good job.
It's incredible. I almost gave up in October. I was trying to leave my job here, and like I got to make it work, and I put a lot of pressure on me the last few
Yeah.
months,
Yep.
and I just slowed it down. I dropped my contracts down to 1 to 3.
Yes.
I journal before the market opens, I journal during, I journal after, I analyze it, I follow your rules. I've been green every day this month.
Oh, wow.
I'm up $2,000 as of today for the month.
It's incredible.
Whereas all my other months, I'll break even, I'll lose some, I've lost more
Yep.
than I've made. So I'm not following all the rules, and I've been super disciplined. I wake up earlier now, and I just trade from Central Time, 8:33 to 9 o'clock,
Yep.
whatever I'm done, because I got to work
Right.
and I don't want to overtrade.
That's right.
The other thing, I was messing with the 2-minute EWO scalping. I was mixing.
Yes.
I was doing break and holds. I was doing everything, dipping my foot in futures. Had a great week of futures, and then had a real bad week with that. So I'm not doing those right now. But I only trade SPY, and I only trade double tops and double bottoms, and a solid break and hold.
Bingo.
And I'm finding success with that. You talk about it all the time, and I'm like, well, I'll do other things.
Yeah, I'll do whatever
And-
I want.
Time
That's
for the day.
awesome. Yeah, and if you think about it, so let's see, if you did 150 a day times 252, that's another 40,000 a year, right? That's 150 a day is 40K a year, everybody in the room, right? Do you understand the potential, the power this is? And probably almost 99% of everybody in the room would $40,000 completely change your lives? Because that's almost more than the median household makes per year. 40,000 more per year. Would that change your life? That's
About
150 a day. That's 150 a day. 150, right?
I just wait for, like, this morning. I don't follow you, but we do end up doing the same thing sometimes.
Yep.
And because I only have a $5,000 cash account, so I don't have that many trades,
Right.
which is good.
Yes.
I cash out every day, so I'm at 5,000 every morning,
Good. Yep.
and I'm paying off bills. But like I was flat on the first two, and then I have in my journal, okay, stop, wait for better setup.
Yes.
And then I waited, and hit that break and hold, and then that double top, and I'm done. Made 130 today. I'm at 2,037 for the month, 33% on my account.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. And it's funny, isn't it? It's slowing down. It's going in smaller. It's following the rules and journaling it, right? I went through an hour speech of this morning and every day this week, right? Some of you, it's going to take longer than others to finally listen to the sound of my voice. But when you do, you are going to freak out on what you can do here, right? Start listening to the old man. You pay me to be here. This is my job.